could even be a dog, but I think it's definitely a deer. The dog was...
I'm putting this in as the intro. I think it's a deer, but it could be a dog. A random stray dog. It'll be a cat. It'll be a cat. There's no like pond here that I'm going to disappear because... Hey guys, so I'm out again. I've come out with my mate Jay today. Jamie's brought me out for come and try out one of his little spots, which is quite nice. We're in these woodlands. Jamie was saying that probably about 30 years old, and as you can tell, they're all quite closely spaced, but they're all quite young trees, which is quite unusual because the ground is nice and grassy. It's quite open and light in here. It's really nice actually, but they're compact enough that kind of hidden away in amongst it all, which is quite nice. So there's Jamie over there. I'll introduce him in a little bit to everyone. So we're going to hammock tonight. We've done a few hammock trips recently, so looking forward to that. We've both brought some food. I think Jamie's brought some steak, and I'm going to do a bit of a casserole. So look forward to that later on. Both got a couple of ales to enjoy. One of mine is like 10% or something stupid, so the content could go downhill quickly. But right, we're gonna get set up and come back in a bit. But look at it, it's nice. We're in a bit of a depression, it looks like. A bit higher on the sides and the trees. We can stick it. I do, mate. Yeah, I do. I think it's good.
It's a nice spot, isn't it?
I do think it's a nice spot, and it's nice and close to your home as well, isn't it? So
was it a 20-minute walk, do you reckon?
Yeah, probably something like that.
Maybe
was
about 25 minutes, I guess.
Something like that.
My thing's just taking loads of photos. This is new.
Jamie's showing himself up with his technical knowledge. He's a photographer as well, and a very good photographer at that. So he should be tech savvy. But he's taking photos of the floor, and the picture was upside down just a minute ago.
Oh, the sun's out.
If you go over to Jamie's channel, this is basically what you get: him dancing around like a fairy in the woods.
A fairy. Good one, thank you, Kev.
Right.
I'll take that. But look at this, how beautiful when the sun comes through the trees. Gorgeous.
I know, it's a lovely spot, mate.
Get my thing working. It's just taking photos.
You got it on an interval timer. You've got the interval timer on. Right, enough of these shenanigans. I'm going to find a little spot to put my hammock up, I think, or dump my bag and have a bit of a look around. So we'll come back to you in a bit. But Jamie is right, look at that. Jay is representing over there. Where are you? I can't even see you in my camera. You're over there. He's representing for old Hazy.
Kev setting up his hammock. I'm just going to get a deal.
Alright, let's get set up. The last couple of times I've tried to record a time lapse of me setting up my hammock, and every time the battery's gone flat, or I've just done something stupid. So I've just put 4 fingers up, third time's a charm. Right, let's try and do this. Beer o'clock. Got a brew dog. I've got a few brew dogs actually tonight. So this one is the Punk IPA, just this kind of standard one.
You should tell them how strong that triple hazy is.
Oh, okay, I'll have a look, yeah. I've got a Brewdog theme tonight, actually, a little bit. I do like Brewdog. I've said this before, they're a very ethical company, which I really like. The triple hazy is 9.5%. And then, yeah, going from I'm not drinking tonight, Kev, to 9.5%. And then I've got the Hazy Jane, which is 5, and then the Punk IPA, which is 5.4. So that'll do me for this evening. Right, let's crack on with one of these. Take the mickey out of Jamie some more. Right, food time. I'm going to do a casserole this evening. So I've got some beef. Let's see what I got in my sac magique. which is
Sac magic.
Sac magic, exactly. There's beef, organic of course, big carrot. I'm going to need all of that carrot. I cut off a piece of swede. I've got a sweet potato and a normal potato. That could be overkill in my thing, but let's cut up a little bit of this. So I've got, that's my drinks pot. This is my, there's my evening pot. So yeah, talking to myself. Let's cut up a bit of carrot. I'm going to cut these fairly chunky because if I'm going to leave it on there for a little bit, it always breaks down quite nice.
Oh, that's close.
Oh, there we go. Is that Jackie or something?
Oh, I hope not.
I'm telling you, I'm here. Potato. It's quite. Oh look, I got the potato. Oh no!
Oh,
look.
Kev, what have you done? Let's have a look at
it.
your potato, Kev.
It's got.
Oh, lovely, yummy, Kev.
Ah, I can't believe that.
Have you got another potato?
It
Was
looks
that it?
fine from the outside.
Is that your only potato?
Yeah, I've got a sweet potato as well, so this isn't too bad.
Right.
I'm just going to cut
Just
the
take
sides
the edges
off.
off. You'll be all right.
Oh, I've still got. Let's get rid of that.
You're going to cut that? You're not going to cut that?
It's already cut. It's
Oh,
diced.
perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I'm not soft though, Jay. I'm not worried about a little bit of.
You're not soft, Kev. You're an experienced bushman, a woodsman.
It's getting
of
cooked
sorts.
anyway, so.
Right.
I don't know whether being unhygienic makes me more bushman or not. But you know what I mean. There you go. Bit of potato.
Oh,
see, this is what I mean. See that is a what, a litre?
That looks good.
It's
That's the perfect size.
I think it might be a touch small. I think a 1.2 might be the perfect size.
So that's a 1 litre.
I think it's like 900
Do you know what? You're right.
measured, but then you know, you get a little bit more in there, don't you?
I think you're right though. I think I would want a little bit bigger than that.
It's not quite big enough for...
'Cause once everything cooks down and thickens...
Well, it's getting it in there at the start is
That's
the
it.
issue. Once it's cooked down, it's half full kind of
Yeah.
thing. But
That's true.
yeah, so I'm going to cut that up. It's a bit of swede, a bit of beef, and then I've also got some garlic, and I've got some herbs, some rosemary and whatnot. We're not going to need all of this. I've gone get carried away, didn't I? Let's just put the beef in there. Look at that. See, it's getting full already.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
And I got onion. I got extras. Wang it in there. See? Nothing fancy here, Jay.
Nothing fancy but me.
Yeah, you are the fancy one.
Oh.
Onion. Jay's getting the fire going. It's all happening here, isn't it? If I did a bit wider angle, it would be like
Perfect.
bushcraft in one shot. How much more bushcraft could you be? I've got a little roll for later. I might
No
not do
one's
the
more
sweet
bushcraft
potato.
than you, Kev, I don't
I might
think.
not do the sweet potato.
You are bushcraft king.
Am I full-on bushcraft?
You
Right.
are pretty damn bushcraft.
Bit of beer in there,
Bit of beer, right at the start.
Lovely.
Good stuff.
And,
This is going to be good, mate.
and then a little bit of water.
Delish. Look, get that bubbling away for a long time. We're starting early, fire's on the go. It's 6:15, we've got a couple of hours of light.
Right.
His dinner's going to be ready a lot later.
Yeah, mine will be a late one, but I don't mind eating a little bit later.
What do you reckon, 3 hours, 2 hours?
At least.
At
Yeah.
least 3 hours. It smells good, Kev, already, even though it's cold.
Look at that. So
That's
there's
gonna
a
be
bit.
delish.
It always looks a bit weird with the jelly. So here you go. It's all in there. I'm gonna chuck that. I'm gonna chuck
Awesome.
that just by the side of the fire.
Oh, shit,
Oh,
mate.
hello. Get this tidied up. Carrot, mate.
I'm good.
There goes the wild Jamie going off to meet his wife. He forgot his, well, he doesn't have an under blanket. He's got a mat which he forgot, so he's gone off to get that. But then I'm set up over here, a hammock, got a cumulus under blanket and a quilt. You've all seen that set up before. It's all over here, and then Jay's just behind me, just here, and his etrol, I think it is. It's off Amazon. It's a It's a kind of cheaper asymmetric. It's quite short, but so's Jamie. But yeah, how lucky is this woodland? Very different to what I'm used to. Playing like this, it's really nice. I'm looking forward to this tonight. Nice, I've had a couple of beers, got the food on, got all set up. Got my helper over here, cutting me up some wood.
You get me.
Quite nice actually to be able to share the duties, camp duties, as they say. I did offer him the Boreal 21, but he's
I'm gonna.
he's got his
my little boy's toy.
He's just trying to show off now.
Nice, wasn't it? But we'll make do.
Oh, here we go. I've got the stew off, casserole off. Oh, it's looking soft. Look at that. Been on there for a few hours. This is ready to go, and I've got a nice little rustic roll to go with it as well. That gravy's boiled down lovely. Jay in the background, he's got himself a steak and asparagus, and he's got homemade coleslaw. I'm not that fancy, you know me. So I have got my casserole here, which has been on for a few hours. It could definitely do with a few more hours, but time restraints. I'm going to whack this on the plate.
Oh, it's good, Kev.
Oh,
wow.
Look at that.
That looks good.
It's so good. The grate, it's actually thickened up quite a lot actually.
The smell. Kev, wow.
Yes.
That looks good.
Look at that. And then I've got here,
Good bread.
I've got a nice little artisan loaf. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. So I've got that to go with it. And then for pudding, can't see because of all the darkness, I've got Brewdog Triple Hazy, 9.5%, just to wash it down with. Alright,
mate, this is good.
let's where's my split? Alright, here we go. Let's have a little dig into this and see what we got.
Kev, that looks
good.
That looks really good.
It is good.
Is it?
I've just licked the. Oh, it's falling apart.
Oh,
actually, that beef has
perfect.
really fallen apart. There we go.
How long was that then? 3 hours? Quality food.
So good. Right, I'm going to dig into this. I'll catch back in a little bit. So I'm going to do the washing up now. It's washing up time. I'll just there you go. My wife would be absolutely disgusted. And I think I learned this from like MCQ. Job done. There we go. Licked clean. Oh,
Yeah.
chocolate.
I hope you sleep tonight, nice and relaxing. Good
CBD
vibes.
chocolate.
CBD chocolate, Kev.
Just
Cheers.
mint CBD.
Give it a pop.
Very nice.
It's good stuff. £4 for that little drop the whole square.
Am I going to have to bleep you out?
Oh well.
You drop a whole bit?
Yeah. Never mind. Tastes good.
Yeah, I do like mint. It's about 11 o'clock at night, I think. We're just getting everything packed away. Final few bits. Yeah. I'm going to get myself into bed. Quite tired actually. Quite nice. It's been a lovely night actually. We've kind of chilled next to the fire and had a good set the world to rights. had chats, which has been nice because me and Jay don't see a huge amount of each other, but it's been really good to have a chat. So looking forward to the video. Jamie's making odd sounds, mouthwash. I think that's what he's doing anyway. But right, I'm gonna get myself into my hammock over here, and I will see you in the morning. Oh, it's too much skin. Cover myself up, no one wants to see that, I just realised. Morning all. Oh, what a lovely night. Going to bed at like 11, something like that last night, after a few beers. Yeah, slept like an absolute log, and woke up this morning. It's pretty much 8 o'clock now. Haven't been up for long. Well, Jamie's over there. Say hello, Jamie. Morning, Jamie. Morning. Yeah, both slept well. Neither of us want to get out. It's a nice warm morning as well, so yeah, best time of year. Gonna get myself up, get my coffee on, get myself packed up, get myself home. Got work to do today, so I've got to crack on with it. Righty-ho. Ciao for now. Morning, everyone. Not really checked in this morning. Me and Jamie have just been chewing the fat and yeah, making morning
Cheers,
coffees.
everybody.
Morning, Jay. Cheers, mate.
Nice little camp.
Ah, did you enjoy it?
It was lovely, Kev.
It was very nice, wasn't
Delicious
it?
food, lovely
It
stew.
was. There may not have been much content last night because we did have a good old chinwag, didn't we? We put the world to rights last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was nice, it was nice. So apologies if the content was a bit subpar cack, but there we go. Having a coffee, the bags are all packed, and well, Jamie's not even started. I'm packed. But yeah, we're gonna chill for a little bit, have a coffee, and then we'll be mooching out of here. So thanks very much for watching, everybody who has. Don't subscribe, don't comment. Jamie's dancing in front of me. No, I hope you enjoyed it. And what have we got? Me and Jay are out again on Tuesday. So only like what? Yeah, a few days away. Less than a week ago. And there's another guy there, another one of our friends. He is a non-YouTuber, but yeah, I might do a little video of that as well. Might as well. So we'll take you along for the ride. Thanks very much again. Have a great day. Have a great week. And ciao for now. Signing out.
Very professional, Kev.